Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have an epic showdown between two security cameras that will blow your mind. In the left corner we have the TP-Link Tapo C200, and in the right corner we have the LaView 4 megapixels bulb security camera 2K. Let's dive right into the comparisons. First up, let's talk about the price. The TP-Link Tapo C200 comes in at an affordable $29, while the LaView 4 megapixels bulb security camera 2K is priced at $69. Looks like the Tapo C200 takes the lead in terms of affordability. Next, let's compare the field of view. The Tapo C200 offers a 360 degrees horizontal and 114 degrees vertical range pan tilt field of view, giving you the ability to see everything in an entire room. On the other hand, the LaView bulb camera provides a 360 degrees panoramic viewing angle, ensuring there are no blind spots. It's like having eyes in the back of your head. Now let's shed some light on night vision. The Tapo C200 boasts an integrated IR system that provides up to 30 feet of night vision. No more stumbling around in the dark. Meanwhile, the LaView bulb camera takes it a step further with advanced starlight night vision, delivering full-color video even in low light conditions. It's like having a night vision superhero in your home. Time to talk about motion detection. The Tapo C200 sends instant push notifications when it detects motion, a person, or even a baby crying. You'll always be in the know. On the other hand, the LaView bulb camera offers motion detection with tracking alerts and customizable sensitivity. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your home. Let's have a listen to the audio features. The Tapo C200 comes with built-in two-way audio, allowing you to comfort your pet or scare off intruders. It's like having a security guard and a pet whisperer in one. Meanwhile, the LaView bulb camera also offers two-way audio, but with an additional 110 decibels alarm siren. Talk about making some noise. Now let's compare storage options. The Tapo C200 allows you to save footage continuously on a micro SD card, or subscribe to TapoCare for cloud storage. On the other hand, the LaView bulb camera doesn't mention any specific storage options in the description. It seems like the Tapo C200 takes the lead in this category. Let's see how these cameras play with our smart home devices. The Tapo C200 is fully compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing you to view the camera's live stream on a larger TV display with a simple voice command. Meanwhile, the LaView bulb camera also supports Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, giving you hands-free control over your security. It's like having your very own security butler. Last but not least, let's talk about weatherproofing. The Tapo C200 is designed for indoor use, while the LaView bulb camera boasts an IP67 weatherproof rating, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Rain or shine, this camera has got you covered. The TP-Link Tapo C200 and the LaView 4 megapixels bulb security camera 2K have received positive reviews overall. Reviewers praised the Tapo C200 for its affordability, smooth panning capabilities, and clear images. On the other hand, the LaView bulb camera is commended for its exceptional coverage, two-way audio with an alarm siren, and easy installation. It's clear that both cameras have their unique features and strengths. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the TP-Link Tapo C200 and the LaView 4 megapixels bulb security camera 2K in various categories. Both cameras have their unique features, but it's up to you to decide which one suits your needs best. Remember to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more comparisons on Buy Smart. Until next time, happy shopping!